Happy Saturday, y'all. Happy Saturday. I uploaded a video today, and I was one of my videos went live today, and I was telling y'all about one of my mentors' mom died, and I'm headed now to the funeral. So yeah, it's like I said, it's a lot of death and dying. But I just wanted to come on and say hi, y'all. It's springtime. It's pretty outside here in Louisiana, and so it's been a long time since I've taken a vacation, and I just really want to go somewhere and get away. Don't know where to go, and I don't know, I just want to do something different. I want to do something different. Y'all know I had kids young, so I didn't get a chance to experience that single and free lifestyle as an adult. So, you know, like I said, the decisions you make dictate your future. Your future's in your hands. So think smart, especially ladies, especially young ladies. I don't know what's wrong with my thing here. Yeah, I got up this morning. I needed to wash my car. Y'all, my son, oh my God. I told him we're going to start doing the yard. We get a lot of leaves in our yard. So I told him we're going to start doing the leaves on Thursdays. You know, so we'll have the weekend free. I told him, I said, you go ahead. He get out of school. He get home about 2:30. I said, so you go ahead and start doing the leaves. I said, and when I come home, we could go ahead and finish. Y'all, I got home. I think I may have stopped at Sam's and picked up an order or something. But when I got home, he was on his last pile of leaves. I was like, oh my God. But I did get out there and I helped him pick I think we ended up with 2 bags out of that pile. So I helped him with the leaves, but I was so very glad that I didn't have to do it. So he got up this morning and helped me with my car. And yeah, so we did the yard, we did the car. I do need to go look in Fads and Frames or somewhere. I need some I got some hanging baskets I got from not the floor baskets. I just got the, you know, the containers. I ordered them on Amazon, and so now I need to actually get some flowers to put in there. But I don't have much going on this Saturday. What y'all cooking for Sunday? Y'all getting up going to church tomorrow? Y'all, it's like last Sunday, and I want to share that sermon last Sunday. Was it last Sunday? Yeah. Where I was talking about, people used to say it was the lion's den, but it wasn't the lion's den, it was a den of lions. And how the Lord went in there, in that den, and shut the mouths of the lions to protect them. Y'all, whew, Lord, and that's how he does for us. We don't even know. We don't know what. We don't know how he go in places before us and make the matters good on our behalf. We don't know who hearts they touch to change our situation. Oh God, because some people could, you know, God has all power. We know that. But there are some times in certain incidences, there are some people, all they got to do is make a phone call. You get the job, you get the promotion, you get this, you get that. We just don't know. But we allow him to, and that's what I would be talking about, allowing him to work on our behalf and not us trying to finagle the outcome. You know what I'm saying? Or dictate the outcome. That's how I live. That's how I live. And thank God, I can say glory to God, it's worked in my favor. So y'all, everything is good. Like I said, my friend, we got around for altar prayer to pray for her when her mom died. And you know what she said? She said, I thank God my mom lived for 95 years. And she said, I had her for 72 or 73 years. She, like I say, she's older. She's like my mentor. So, yeah, y'all, it's just so much. And that's why I want to start a nonprofit. And then I've been looking into it, and I hadn't, and I think it's going to be after I actually retire. But I want to start a nonprofit to help, and I'll talk about it later. Sometimes when you share your dreams, they're actually called dream thieves. But I know one thing, though. What the Lord has for me is for me, and can't nobody take it. They may get a replica of it. They may get a duplicate. They may get a copy. But what God has for you, your name is written on it, is yours. All right, y'all. I ain't going to hold y'all too long, because I will start rambling. I love to run my mouth. I do. And I'm going to tell y'all something. I want to, like I said, I had the same few people that comment and that view every single time. And I want y'all to know from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate y'all, because this platform got me through the most difficult experience I've ever had in my life. When I lost my mom, and I got up the nerves to come here, and it with God's help, I was able to come to this platform in my grief, and y'all, whether you believe it or not, you helped me get through it. I just want everybody to know that I appreciate y'all. That's why I say y'all, everything I do is love.